question answers of chapter 1. We have done answer number 4, 5 and 6.
6, I asked you to do it on your own.
Yes.
Anyways, I will forward the PDF file. Don't worry, the best handwriting PDF file. I'll forward it so that those who were not joining the lecture they can write it. Have we done anything in poem number 2?
Yes, sir. We have read poem number 2, but explanation is not done yet.
We read. Okay. So let's start with that. Girls, what is the name of poem 2?
Adventure
Adventure
at
at
sea.
sea.
This is the poem, right?
Yes.
Okay. Before we started reading part and the hard words part, I discussed about the heading. What is adventure? So, who remembers what is adventure?
Adventure means uh, it is
It is. If you don't know, don't turn on the mic, please. A lot of noise is there in the background.
Adventure means to do something creative that we have never done before and we are scared of. We have to do that, so it is an adventure.
Correct. So, that is an adventurous thing. Okay. Can you see this picture?
yes, sir.
Yes,
How many
Yes,
boys are
sir.
there?
there
Four.
are four boys.
There are four boys.
Only two girls are speaking. Why all the other girls are sleeping or what? Move out
There
of the
are
class
four
if you don't want to
boys.
speak. How many boys are there?
Four
There are
boys.
four boys.
Four
Only.
boys. Four boys.
Okay. So there are four boys in this boat. From their faces, looking at their faces, what do you think? They are enjoying or they are frightened?
There are
They are
frightened.
frightened.
Huh? So this boy might be afraid of the shark or water coming inside the boat. This might be the afraid of dangerous situation. This boy might be afraid of that we don't get into the water, we don't get drowned into water. This boy, as he's sitting last, he is also in very much danger. So this is called adventurous thing, when you are afraid of doing that but still you are sitting in this boat and you are trying to enjoy. You don't know how you will save your life but still you enjoy that. And here you can see, here the tires are there, these are the lifesavers. If you sit inside this, you don't get drowned inside the water. Let's start this adventure. Zoha, read the first para.
Okay, sir. Reading. Tales of sea voyages are often filled with excitement and adventure. There is the thrill of making discoveries, but also the lurking fear of pirates. Read this poem about one such exciting adventure at sea.
So, tales of sea voyages. are often filled with excitement and adventure. Tales means stories. So, stories related to the sea sailings or sea journey are often are mostly filled with very much excitement. Sometimes we heard that the ship drowned inside the water, the ship crew members fell down from the boat, the sea was so much dangerous that the ship was not able to come to the seashore, or sometimes the ship is stuck in between the sea. Many different stories are there in the storybooks, in the movies, in the newspapers. The news were there. So always the story of journey from the sea is filled with excitement and adventure. There is a thrill of making discoveries, but lurking fear of the pirates as well. So when we go to inside the sea, you might have seen that scuba divers are there who go inside the sea, who finds out diamonds, who finds out different treasures, means gold, silver from inside the sea. So we can make different discoveries. The bones of the shark, the broken boats are there inside. So we can find different things, but also there is a fear of pirates. I explained you what is pirates. Who will explain it to me again?
Those who steal our things.
Your friends may not be able to understand this language. How will you explain them?
Means they are like thief only.
So, girls, the person who loots inside the sea, who loots others' boat, huh? Who takes away the things of others' ship by showing the gun or showing the knife. They take away our things from the ship. They are called pirates. Is that clear, girls?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
One movie and book is also there, Pirates of Caribbean. Have you heard that?
No, sir.
No,
No
sir.
problem. Okay. So read this poem about one such exciting adventure at the sea. So this poem is also about one such adventure. Like other adventurous stories, this poem is also very much adventurous. Let's see what is there inside this. Traveling through the Sea of Sulu, we saw in the distance a cockatoo. Wherever it flew, we dared to pursue, till finally an island came into view. Now, when the poet was traveling through the sea of,
Sulu.
Sulu. Sulu.
what was the name of the sea?
Sulu.
I cannot hear all the girls loudly.
Sulu. Sulu.
Okay. So, poet is saying that when they were traveling from the Sea of Sulu, they saw a cockatoo, one bird. They saw one bird, and poet says that wherever the bird was flying, we were following the direction. Girls, are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
See,
sir.
this is this is cockatoo. Can you see red color bird?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of cockatoo? The type of parrot with the crest on the feathers on its head. So, wherever the bird was flying, the boat was moving in that direction. Till finally an island came into view. So, finally, they were moving with this bird. They were moving the boat wherever the bird was flying, in whichever direction the bird was flying, because the bird was showing the direction to the boat where to go. So finally they stopped when they saw an island. Island means what, Muskan?
Island means
Let me draw it properly. So, girls, island is one kind of land which is surrounded by the water all the sides. There is no road to go to this land. You can only go to island with the help of boat. Did you understand? Yes or no?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Are you
Yes,
sure?
we
Yes.
are sure.
Okay, Alina, again explain what is an island. Alina,
Yes, sir.
please explain again what is an island.
Island is covered by a surrounded water. There is no place to go.
Exactly, you can only travel through the boat. That's an island. So finally, the poet says that we were moving the boats where the bird was moving. But finally, they stopped when they saw the.
Island.
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 Very good.
Island.
Okay, now let's pay attention in the next stanza. Let's see what happened now. Land ho! Cried Andrew. He is my young nephew. And he made for the Isle in a canoe at a quarter past two with a shout of yoo-hoo. He returned with a load of a golden bamboo. Now, students, try to understand the situation. As soon as, see, first of all, this is Andrew. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
so the poet says that Andrew was his nephew. Nephew means what? कोई समझेगा? Like brother, sister, nephew is a kind of relation. Nephew means what? Okay, let me explain you. Your brother or your sister's son. Your brother or your sister's son is your nephew. Did you understand? आपकी दीदी या आपके भाई का जो बेटा है, that is.
Nephew.
Nephew.
पर पर अगर आपके
Nephew.
दीदी,
Nephew.
अगर बस पर अगर आपके दीदी या आपके भाई का लड़की हुआ तो
Niece.
यस niece. Nephew is for the boy, niece for the girl. So Andrew was the nephew of
Nephew.
Andrew was the nephew of what? Nephew of
Bro-
Andrew was the nephew of Rohan sir,
no.
poet, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, mute the mic. So now here the poet says that as soon as the Andrew who was standing on the deck of the boat, किसका mic on हो रहा है? किसका mic on रहा है? Ma'am, please remove this girl. Remove this girl immediately. Remove her. What is this? Breaking my link. So as soon as the Andrew, who was standing on the deck of the boat, he saw the island, he shouted, "Land ho!" He shouted very loudly, and he made for the isle in a canoe. So canoe is this small boat. So he shouted and he made the noise on full boat. See, very small boat. You can see one boy, one small girl, and here is the poet. This is one dog. At the 2:15, with a shout of yoo-hoo, he returned with a load of a golden bamboo. So after taking rest on the island, when the Andrew came back on the boat, he came with the golden bamboo. Golden bamboo. See, here, can you see golden bamboo?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is very beautiful, yes? Shining.
Yes.
Yes.
So, this is what the poet says, that Andrew was very much attracted by the bamboo. When he saw bamboo, Andrew thought that it is golden. I should take and I should sell it. I will get lot of money. So when he was taking rest on the island, and when he came again, he shouted, "Yoo-hoo! Look in my hand. I have a wonderful bamboo." So he took the bamboo and he came on the boat. Okay, girls. Any doubt in these two stanza? You can ask me, beta.
No, sir.
No, sir. No doubt.
Then let me ask you the questions. Let's see how much attentive you all were. Yes, Alina, first question to you.
Yes, sir.
Pirates means what? I asked you something, beta.
I don't know, sir.
Then find out the meaning from the Google and please write it 5 times and show it to me, okay?
Okay, sir.
Musabbeha. Musabbeha. Ma'am, please write absent for Musabbeha 3 days. She is absent. She is not answering. Okay, Wakil Sirat Fatima.
Yes, sir.
Same question.
Sir, which are they are the thieves of the sea.
Yes, very good, very good, very good. Okay, next question to Sakina Rajani. Ma'am, Sakina Rajani is never answering. Please talk to their parents and please write absent for all the days. Next, Multani Misda.
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
Multani Misbah.
Okay, Misbah or Misda?
Misbah.
Something else is written in your ID. Anyways, Misbah, tell me what was the name of poet's nephew? What was the name of the nephew? Misbah, listen to the other girls and write this answer 5 times. Muskan,
Yes, sir.
same question.
Andrew.
Andrew was the name of nephew. This you have to write 5 times, Misbah. Okay, thank you. Rifat Malkani. Sayyida Nayani.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of nephew? Sayyida, you will Google it and write it 5 times and show it to me today itself. Thank you. Iram Fatima Devjani. Okay, not answering. Ma'am, please write absent for 3 days. Okay, next name. Uh, Ganyani Taiba.
Yes.
What's the meaning of nephew?
The boy and girl, the boy are nephews.
I cannot hear you. Thank you. But anyways, you tried. Insha Fatima Raujani. Okay, she's also absent, ma'am. Please write absent. Mohammed Irfan Sheikh. Sheikh Marine, I think.
Yes, sir.
To whom they were following?
They were following to Cockatoo.
A bird. Very good. Excellent. Next question to Tahira Malik.
Yes, sir.
So, what did they see and they stopped the boat? They were following the bird, they were moving the boat, and they stopped. Why did they stop?
Sir,
They saw what?
sir.
Don't say sir and don't make excuses. You were there in the lecture. They saw an island. Write this 5 times. Right
Yes.
now. Mehak Harshi.
Yes, sir.
They saw an island. What is the meaning of island?
It's a surrounding water and all. We cannot go this side or that side. So 2 or 3 coconuts tree only.
Okay. Thank you for detailing. Tamanna Parmar. Okay, ma'am. Please write absent. She's absent for 3 days now. Aisha Sarmali.
Excuse me, sir. I am late for the test. Sir,
I am
I am late. Sir,
Alisha Musani. So when the Andrew
Yes,
came back
sir.
on the boat, what was there in his hand? Excellent. Okay.
golden
Now I
bamboo.
will ask Muskan to explain full poem till now 2 stanza again without looking into the book. Let's see. Muskan, will you not be able to?
Sir,
please repeat because my Bluetooth was not
I asked you
working.
to repeat the explanation of the poem for the two stanzas in the sequence.
Uh, okay, sir. Mm, Uh, the four boys was traveling at the sea. The sea name was Sulu, and they saw a cockatoo. And cockatoo is a bird, and wherever it fly, they the the boys were the cockatoo was flying that direction only. The boat was
Why today you are fumbling, Muskan?
no. Then they are moving at a cockatoo's direction, and they they came. They saw the island, and
They saw
they
an island.
they saw an island and came into a view. Then they have said, "Land ho!" Then Andrews cried. Andrews, her young nephew. Nephew means brother or sister,
It's not
child.
nephew, it's nephew.
Nephew, brother or sister, child, and sister child we tell niece, and
No,
they
no, 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 no. Brother or sister's son, we say nephew. Brothers or sister's daughter, we say niece.
yes sir, and uh, they had made isle and canoe means boat, small boat, and then her young nephew has said, see, I have one bamboo with a shout of
When
you
they
who.
returned, when they
Yes,
returned from an island after taking rest, at that time there was a golden bamboo in whose hand?
nephew.
Andrew's hand.
Yes, Andrew and
Okay. And explain me what's the meaning of cry. He cried land ho. So he was crying. "Wah."
no,
Then
it was
okay, girls. There still we have 5 to 7 minutes. I will ask you to draw boat and the sea. Make it as beautiful as you can. No one is going to speak in the rough book, obviously. Start drawing and send it to me personally in my WhatsApp. Don't show here. Let's see how you will make the Sea of Sulu. You have to give the title Sea of Sulu. Why did you turn on the mic, beta?
What,
Please
sir?
mute it. Mute it.
Sir, in which book we have to draw?
मैंने बोल दिया बेटा बहुत क्लियरली बोल दिया थैंक यू
sir. Excuse me.
या
We can do in drawing book.
Why do people touch the microphone?
આવે છે મેં તને કીધું ને અબુ.
Don't color it, just draw. Let's see how beautifully you will finish it. Especially, I am master at pencil shading.
Sir, I am master in drawing.
Very good. You should have different talents, girls. Cooking, drawing.
Yes,
I have
sir.
cooking talent also.
Sir, I want to be a chef.
What?
I want to be a chef.
Chef.
Yes.
Your sir is already a chef.
You are cooking at home.
Yes.
Oh,
Okay, girls, have a nice day. Send me a drawing in WhatsApp.
okay, sir. Bye.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir. Have a nice day.
Bye, sir.
Goodbye,